Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, the Prime Minister fights back.
And it is one thing that you will see about me. Me not afraid of nobody. All who want talk, make me one. Me we go with you toe to toe.
A fiery Andrew Holness vows to go to war against the false and misleading information surrounding the government's response to Hurricane Melissa. Tonight, we have new details as the Prime Minister changes his course on storm relief. And developing news in St. Catherine, a barbershop attack. The owner shot and killed, an 81-year-old man wounded. Investigators racing to find a motive. Plus, terror inside a Kingston business. 2 Indian merchants shot by a disgruntled former employee. We have new updates on their condition as police launch a manhunt for the suspect. And a frightening fall on stage overseas. Jamaican artist Christopher Martin rushed to hospital after plunging through part of the stage during a performance in Sierra Leone.